In this exercise, we will learn the Spot Healing Brush Tool. Basically, the Spot Healing Brush Tool removes subjects in the images. It is mostly used to retouch images and to remove blemishes, trash background, and it's an amazing tool to remove things in the image. Okay, let's see how this tool works. If I move my cursor on Tools, here we can find the Spot Healing Brush Tool. If I right-click on it, we can see J is the shortcut key. Okay, now I have selected this, and let's start to work on this image. Zoom in by pressing the Control and plus sign on the keyboard. Okay, let's select the Spot Healing Brush Tool. We can see here there are some hairs on the face. If I want to remove this, okay, first, I would like to recommend you to use this tool non-destructively by creating a new layer. Then we can go to the layer and click on Create New Layer icon, and then we can just start working with it. And also on the Control option, check this mark option on, Sample All Layers. Okay, I click and drag my mouse, something like that. You can see we have perfectly removed this hair, and we can do this job perfectly. This tool works very nicely. We can remove all the hairs very quickly. The benefit of creating the new layer is if we do anything by mistake, for example, if we do something like that, I'm just demonstrating, and then we can pick the Erase tool from here, and we can remove it. Something like that. Okay, now we can see here black moles, etc., or we can say spots on the face. We can just remove that by the Spot Healing Brush tool. Just paint on it where you find any spot. Here, we find a really dark area. Okay, no, let's see the above Control option here. Here is the size. We can adjust the brush size here. Here is the brush hardness. I recommend that you keep this one on soft edges for this type of work. That will be very helpful, but we can adjust it. Okay, next we have the modes option. I recommend that you keep this one at normal. Content aware is the best option if you want to remove blemishes or anything. Next, create texture option. If I paint on it, something like that, we have texture, but this may not work well for this type of work. Okay, next we have proximity match option, and it is similar to the content aware tool. We can also choose that for this type of work, but I always use the content aware tool for this type of work. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the healing brush tool.